And you're gonna have to excuse the noise because the kitchen window is open. Alright? Bear with me. I'm not in my own little home studio. I'm abroad filming this. And it's also, I think it's also related. Drive already. Alright. The hell? Would you shut up? Damn it. Okay, you guys, so this is what the cinnamon apple looks like on the inside. And as you can see, the flesh is white. It's very thick. And basically what you do, you scoop it out and then you eat it. And then you remove the black seeds because it does have some black seeds. You don't eat those, okay? And this fruit is also related to the sour sop, if you're familiar with that. That motherfucker. You simply scoop it out and then you eat the flesh. What the fuck is with these people? The hell? Alright, you guys. Again, bear with me and the noise because my cousin lives in a very busy street. And these people honk their horns and all of that stuff, so bear with me. But this is what the cinnamon apple looks like on the inside. The meat is very thick and very fleshy. It's very sweet, I can tell you. So basically what you do... What the fuck is with these folks? My cousin is dying laughing because you know me, when I do my videos, I need absolute quiet. These bitches. So can you hear this shit? As I'm doing my videos, this man is here selling his oranges and his pineapples and his what have you. Ay, meu Deus. I am telling you. Laranja, abacaxi. Ah, laranja. Ai, meu Deus do céu. And they're honking the horn. You guys, you're gonna have to bear with me with this noise. Because you know me, when I do my videos. There we go again. Why is he standing here? Laranja, abacaxi, laranja, abacaxi. It's like the same thing over and over again. I'm like, don't you get tired? We've heard you before, boo-boo. You can turn it off now. And there's a lot of people standing there by the car. I would turn off the freaking recording. You know, it is 8:30 in the morning, for goodness sakes, on my birthday. Ugh, anywho. So, as I was saying, it also has a black stone in it. Wait a minute, wait a minute. What the fuck is a bus doing here? Fucking hell, man. Jesus. And now here comes this one again. I don't know who drives diesel anymore. Okay, you guys, so this is what the pomme de citer looks like on the inside. This is what the stone... Ya mother pum pum. That motherfucker. Drive already. Okay, you guys, last but definitely not least, the persimmon. Why is this motherfucker screaming? Ya mother pum pum. Ya bitch you. So I can tell you that this kaki fruit was very, very sweet. Sumaylo na pakolo ep. I'm telling you, if it's not cars, people honking their fucking horn, it's people sneezing. Oh my gosh. I would just, no, This would not be good for me, no. My nerves would be shut. What's he doing? Everybody up here drives a diesel. I am telling you. We've heard you before, boo-boo. You can turn it off now. And there's a lot of people standing there by a car. I could turn off the freaking recording. You know, it is 8:30 in the morning. sakes. On my birthday. Anywho. So, as I was saying, this is what the cinnamon apple...
I love, I call love.